Scotland listening comprehension. Welcome to Scotland. In the next few minutes, we will explore some of the most fascinating aspects of this beautiful country. Get ready to learn more about Scotland's culture, landscapes, and traditions. First of all, Scotland is known for its breathtaking landscapes. From the majestic highlands in the north to the gentle hills in the south, the country offers a variety of natural beauty. The famous lochs, such as Loch Ness, are not only picturesque but also full of myths and legends. Have you ever heard of the Scottish monster, Nessie? Let's move on to the Scottish culture, which is rich and diverse. An important element of Scottish identity is the kilt, a traditional garment often worn at festive occasions. Scotland is also famous for its music, particularly the sounds of bagpipes. At festivals and celebrations, you can often experience traditional dances, like the ceilidh. Let's talk about food. Scottish cuisine has some unique dishes to offer. Haggis, a dish made from sheep's stomach, oatmeal, and spices, is a classic that many tourists want to try. Scottish whisky is also world-renowned and is often produced in special distilleries that you can visit. But what about sights in Scotland? There are many attractions in Scotland that are worth a visit. Edinburgh, the capital, is famous for its historic castle and the annual Edinburgh Festival. The Isle of Skye is also a popular destination for nature lovers, with its dramatic cliffs and picturesque villages. Which attraction would you like to visit in Scotland? That was a brief overview of Scotland. Now it's your turn. Scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to test your knowledge about Scotland.